Hi students, in this video we are going to discuss about the concepts of internal energy, enthalpy and entropy in the topic basic thermodynamics. So in the module first one in the elements of mechanical engineering subject, we are discussing about the sources of energy and the thermodynamics, and we are going to see about the steam. Okay, these are all the three important topics we are covering. So renewable energy and the sources, what will happen when we are burning, what is the global issues, environmental issues will come, all the things we have covered in the sources of energy. And the basic thermodynamics, we are seeing this concepts of thermodynamics, that basic laws, three laws and four laws: zeroth law, first law, second law and third law we have seen in the previous video. Now we are going to see some other concepts of basic elements which is needed for the thermodynamics problems. We are going to see enthalpy and entropy. These are two different concepts. We know that normally we heard about heat and temperatures, right? Normally we have seen. So here enthalpy is a measurement of energy in the thermodynamics. So just like the how we are measuring in every temperatures, here it's a quantity, it's a, that is how much heat content is needed for the conversion of one product volume into pressure. That the thing is, here we are going to discuss the quantity of enthalpy equal to the total content of heat of the system. Okay, how much heat it's required, that's what to conversion of one thing. That's what we will see in the next slide. So the internal energy, normally enthalpy is equal to the sum of the internal energy and the product of pressure and volume of the system. Like that, mathematically we will say pressure and volume. A system already I said, a system is the one which is we are going to study about the suppose if you take a cooker, pressure cooker, inside some components and it is getting boiled, so it's a system. Or a pan with the water, it is getting boiling, so that is a system. So here whatever we are going to study is called a system, and outside of the system is called a boundary, sorry, environment, what is it, circumferences and the surroundings. The boundary is the one which is separating these two. Okay, normally this is called, we call. So enthalpy and another one is entropy. We will say about enthalpy further. So entropy means, already we have said that it is a disorder or randomness of the system. Okay, it's a movement, physical state or the condition of a system. It depends upon entropy is a quantity whose value depends upon the condition of the system. In the first video we have discussed about water and ice. Okay, if you take water, in the water, the molecules, you can see the molecules are free to move. But when you, the same water, when it is getting freezed as a cold ice, the molecules are getting restricted, the movement is getting restricted. So it depends upon the physical state or the condition of the system, what is the value of it is called entropy. So entropy of a solid, if you take a solid material, the particles are not free to move. But in case of entropy of a gas, it is particles are free to move in a container. So this is what the entropy says. Okay, it's not an exact definition, we cannot get it in the. So here like work, heat and energy, internal energy, these are the important terms we are going to see here. So internal energy is equal to the heat added to the system minus the work done by the system. Okay, already I said now, a bowl which is having some water or liquid something, and I am applying heat over that, what will happen is the content is going to be expanded and a work is going to be takes place. Imagine a piston. Okay, imagine a piston is there, at the bottom a gas, a little amount of gas, a 1 kilo volume of gas is there. When I am heating this at the bottom, I am supplying heat, the gas is getting expanded and the piston is moving upward. So the when the piston is moving upward means a work done is going to be happen. So the work done is the W, and the heat what I have added is the Q. So the change in internal energy, what will happen? Already some energy is there, and now there is a change in the internal energy. So that is equal to the what I have given q and minus the work done. So this is what the internal energy. So by using that, we can solve the one or two problems here. So a problem is given: an internal combustion engine, IC engine. Okay, that is where a petrol engine or diesel engine, whatever it is, the heat rejected to cooling water during the compression stroke is 50 kilojoule per kilogram, and the work input is 100 kilojoule per kilogram. Calculate the change in internal energy. So what it is given is heat rejected during the cooling water. So how the in a cylinder, engine cylinder, we are using what is that for cooling around the system, we are using water to circulate the engine. So the radiator, through that, it is getting cooled up, the engine is getting cooled up. So when it is cooling, around some 50 kilojoule per kilogram is getting rejected. But what work input we are given is 100 kilojoule per kilogram. So what is the internal energy? The same formula, delta E is equal to Q minus W. So heat rejected is heat rejected, it's not added. So heat rejected, so I am putting as minus symbol over here. Negative sign, it says that rejection. Positive sign is says that the addition. Okay, as like that, work input. So work output is the work, the sign, what it is, work input is 100 kg. So work input is minus 100, negative sign indicates. So the internal change is a Q minus W, that is equal to minus 50 minus of minus 100, which is equal to the plus 50. So this is the internal energy gain of the system. Okay, so next one more problem is a closed system. Just like we have seen, what is a closed system, what is open system, what is isolated system. So open system is a pan with oil, it is boiling. But a closed system is a cooker, we can say. Okay, a closed system undergoes a change in the process in which 5 kilojoule of heat energy is supplied to the system. Determine the change in internal energy under the following condition. One is 1 kg of work is done in the system, 1.25 kg of work is done by the system. Okay, so two things are given. One is work done to the system and work done by the system. So we can change this symbol and we can find this. So this is what the how the statement of things, internal energy, can be calculated with the help of the formula del E is equal to Q minus W. So this heat, work and internal energy, the entropy and the enthalpy, it is very very important in the any thermodynamical systems, right? So the thermodynamical property, the enthalpy, as we said, it's a measurement of energy. Okay, so in the further problems, there is a HFG and enthalpy. These are all the things we are going to find. So enthalpy of a system, how much heat is needed to convert one form of fluid into another, or one material into another, like that we are going to study in the further classes. Okay, so these are all the basic things we have to learn in this.